Today in front of me I have the Arlo Pro 3 bundle, and in this video I'll show how you can check the firmware version in this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, launch the Arlo Secure app, then go into the devices section. Here, just select what device you would like to see the firmware version of, tap on it, then tap at its icon, and here is the base station or base hub firmware version, as well as the fact that it's all up to date. For the camera, it works the same way. Open it, go into its settings, then tap at this camera here, at this icon here rather, and here is your firmware version, which you can also check if the updates is due for. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.